Hi, I'm Atul Patel, Senior Software Engineer at Sandblaze. Today we're excited to introduce our latest technology of iRiser. iRiser stands for Intelligent Riser, a family of patented precision test tools engineered to amplify the power of Sandblaze, SB Express, RM5, and DT5 systems. The iRiser provides PCIe, lane and sideband signal glitching, 3.3 and 12 volt power monitoring, 3.3 volt and 12 volt power measurement, precise control of power, data path, and sideband signals, which enable users to develop complex test scenarios and real-world failure test cases. The iRiser integrates seamlessly with certified Sandblaze test suites. It enhances standard compliance testing by incorporating multiple device-level stress factors to further ensure PCIe and NVMe device design robustness. It can also be paired with an optional EDSFF to M.2 adapter to enable additional test capabilities for M.2 form factor devices. It provides PLN/PLA measurements, allowing customers to see the ramifications of their actions, and also high-speed signal glitching of PCI signals, accurate control of all out-of-band signals, DMR directly up to 1,000,000 nanoseconds per second, and accurate timing on signal assertion and deassertion. As you can see, our patented iRiser5 Plus product develops plenty of test options. Let's talk about a couple of use cases where the iRiser5 Plus helps with testing. The use of PLN, powerless notification. The host sets the PLN to tell the drive that the power is going away. The drive will respond with a PLA I'm ready. This is a good use case to test customer firmware. Also, asserting reset and measurement time lets you assert reset until your device is ready. For example, you can assert reset for different links and set the amount of time to see firmware behavior based on those values. Let's put this in a system now and get a closer look. Here we have an SB Express RM5 system. We'll put the card in one of the supported slots here and then take a look at the capabilities through the software. In the RM5 system, the cards are compatible in slots 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's install an iRiser5 into an SB Express RM5 system. If your equipment is shipped to you with the iRisers already installed, be sure to check that they are seated properly, as things can shift during shipping. That's it for the hardware portion. Matt will now walk you through the iRiser5 capabilities through the Certified by Sandblaze software. Matt, take it away.
Now that Atul has put an iRiser5 Plus in slot 7, we can take a look at what you can do within the software. To start off, let's start a new recording. We'll call this one iRiser Demonstration. We'll turn off the 1.8 volt rail and we'll record only on the 3.3 volt. Let's make it last for 5 minutes, and let's also turn up the frequency to 2000 samples per second. Then we'll hit record. Next, we'll head over to the GPIO tab to mess with some signals. As this runs on the 3.3 volt rail, we'll turn off the 3.3 volt signal, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. Next, we'll head to the Actions tab. Action 6 turned off the pulse signal for a time of 100 microseconds, and Action 7 turned it back on again. Let's edit Action 6 to last 250 microseconds and hit apply. Next, let's head to the Signals tab and we'll run this sequence. We'll wait for it to finish, and now we can head back over to the Power tab. Great! It looks like we can see 2 distinct events have just occurred. Let's stop this. We can now view this recording in finer detail. The first event shows us the effect of powering off the drive's 3v3 rail and powering it back on. We can see how the drive spikes in power when it turns back on, and all of the associated statistics to do with this. We can also see how the sequence that ran our 250 microsecond pulse glitch has affected the power. This concludes the iRiser software demonstration. As a last note to all users, everything you have just seen can be achieved in the command line interface. In the background, you can see a few of these iRiser commands that are used to achieve some of the different actions. These commands are fully scriptable and can return data in a JSON output. For more information about this, or the web interface, please see the iRiser Quick Start Guide and user guides on our website.
Thank you, Matt, for the deep dive into the software. We hope you have much success testing your drives with the iRiser5 Plus. In addition to the iRiser5 Plus, we also have an iRiser6 and an iRiser6 SE. The iRisers will ship as a standard iRiser for the upcoming SB Express, ARM6, and DT6 platforms. Check back here for more videos, including a deeper dive of the iRiser 6 coming soon. Until next time.